Hi everyone, this is Mr Neel Raithatha, also known as the Wax Whisperer. Thank you for tuning into this latest video. The patient in this procedure attended with fully occluding earwax and dead skin in both ears. We're just in the left ear here and we're near the entrance, and the way we know we're near the entrance, the hallmark to tell us we're near the entrance, are these hair strands. So these hair strands are only found in the outer cartilaginous portion of the ear canal. The inner 2/3 of the ear canal is made up of bone and there's no hair follicles connected to that part of the ear canal. And you can see just using a standard Zollner suction probe to perform microsuction just to lift this dead skin and plug of wax off the base of the ear canal. And then I'm slowly in a moment going to bring this plug of skin and wax forwards, rocking it backwards and forwards, just bringing it out of the entrance. So earwax is made up of 3 primary substances. The majority of earwax, believe it or not, is composed of dead skin. Around 60% of earwax is actually dead skin. The remaining 40% of earwax is made up of 2 different substances. The first is a substance called sebum, and that's an oily, lipid, fatty secretion made by the sebaceous glands, and these sebaceous glands are connected to the root of these hair follicles, these hair strands. And it's the same oily substance we find on our scalp, that's secreted by the hair on our scalp. So there's the patient's left tympanic membrane, eardrum, it's lovely and healthy. And the third ingredient that makes up earwax is an oily sweat, which is secreted by the ceruminous glands. And it's similar to the sweat that we find under our armpits. So on the outer third of the ear canal, where these hair strands are, you get a natural build-up of sebum, the oily fatty lipid secretion by the sebaceous glands, and the oily sweat, which is secreted by the ceruminous glands. And as the skin on the ear canal, as it dies and sheds, it migrates sideways like a conveyor belt. And when this dead skin reaches the cartilaginous portion where the sebum and oily sweat is, they all amalgamate, they mix and bind together, and they form earwax. So you can see we removed the plug of keratin and wax from the right ear as well. And you can see that the appearance of the wax was quite glossy, like this residual remaining dead skin on the roof of the ear canal. So skin is, because of the texture of it, it's quite reflective of light. So if you see a plug of earwax that's quite glossy, it would suggest that the composition of dead skin that makes up that plug of earwax is a bit more than the normal 60%. So I would say in this case it's more 70 to 80%. The patient in this procedure on the right side, they may have previously suffered from a tear, perforation posteriorly of the eardrum. I'm going to show you a still image in a moment. That has healed, but you can see it's a different appearance of the eardrum posteriorly and inferiorly, and I've just put a circle around there so you can have a look. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and you're all keeping well and safe. Take care, bye.